Hey, to perform virus scan on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to open the settings. Now from here scroll down and go into the security and the privacy. And from this you will have to go into the app security. Then go into the app protection, and as you can see we have to turn it on, and after this we'll stay safe from malware and other suspicious activity. So click to turn it on, tap on it one more time, and now you can simply click to scan your phone. Now just wait for this scanning process. It will take around few seconds, and after this we'll be able to check if there's like any issue on this phone. And it's actually checking any application one by one, as you can see the system apps and also other stuff, like even the language pack that is actually downloaded on our phone as a default. We are currently on the 80%, and after a few seconds it's actually finished. So let's wait, and as you can see in my case there's like no threats detected, so everything is fine. And that's how we can do this right now. Please subscribe to my channel.